So here we have the BMW Z3 on a Y plate. This is the model of car that was featured in the 007 movies. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a two-door convertible, of course. You can see the roof is folded down at the moment. This car does come with a tonneau cover in the same colour as the interior, which we'll come to in a moment, and it also comes with a full hard top as well. We're going to start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see that given the fact that it's a two-door convertible, we've actually got plenty of boot space there. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way around, and a great looking car as well. So as I mentioned a moment ago, you actually get the tonneau cover in the same colour as you see the seats are just here. We have plenty to run through on the dashboard, so I'm going to hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the fuel gauge, we have the speedometer, the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge as well. Within the speedometer, you can see the total miles of this car, which at the time of filming this video are exactly 52,000. Over in the centre, we have the stereo for the car, so you can adjust the volume, your AM and FM radio, as you can see. We've also got the CD player just there as well. And then beneath that, we have the main fans for the car. So you can determine the temperature, the fan speed, and the direction you'd like the air to be distributed in as well. Beneath that, you can turn your air conditioning on, and it's on when that light shows. Same button to turn it off again, of course. We can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly, depending on the temperature you've set just here, of course. We've got a heated driver's seat and a heated passenger seat as well. A cigarette lighter or 12-volt charging socket, depending on how you wish to use it. A 5-speed manual gearbox, and then we have the passenger and driver electric windows. Roof controls, which of course are very important in this car, are back just behind the handbrake, so you can open and close the roof from here. There's a couple of steps you have to take before doing that. The first of which is to open these two handles. So there's one over on the driver's side and one on the passenger side, of course. Once you've done that, just push the roof slightly clear to give that little gap. Use the button that I mentioned just a moment ago, but the next important step is to put your foot on the brake in order that you can open the roof. So with your foot hard down on the brake, push the button to open the roof, and you'll see that will fold away nice and quickly for you. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at West Horsley Motors. We'd love to hear from you soon.